everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my camper. I'm just chilling out here and figured I'd do a little review of this stuff here. If you're like me, you love the AirTags, but the AirTags themselves are just the little nuggety things. So it's hard. You could put it in your purse or something, I guess, like that if you wanted to not lose it. But you see, I've got these here, and this one says NDR7 on it. So this is my 7th one, although I think I have more than that. And this is a 4-pack I got. I'll put a link to this too in the description so you guys can pick up some AirTags for yourself. But what I also got here is this. And so what these are, if I'm able to open it, here we go. So it actually came with 5 of them, but I'm already using one that was like yellow, I think. But so these are the little AirTag holder keychain things. And so I've had some before that are, do I even have it here? No, I don't have it with me. But I've had some that have a hole on both sides, so you can see through the whole thing. But this one here is kind of cool because it's just on the one side, so it is a little bit more protective, and it's not so easy for the AirTag to fall out. Sorry, it's a little windy. But I'm going to show you how it works here. It's just so simple. So you've got your AirTag, and you've got your thing there, and it's just silicone, and it's got a really great fit on it. I didn't even take the plastic off of it yet, but you get the idea. And so so you can have it in there, and it'll stay in there really good. I mean, it's weird, I should have taken the plastic off, but there you go. So that's it in the keychain. It fits in there really good, and these keychains are cool because they've got the little carabiner ones, like so. You just gotta push it, and it kind of clips up. So, I mean, I guess the keys could fall off easy, but I've used these to clip it onto my backpack, onto my luggage, and then I can move it from one device to another super easy because of these clips. But that's what it looks like there. I'll take off some of this plastic stuff on it here and show you what it looks like without it all. I won't set it up now. Hopefully one of my neighbors here won't set it up on their phone. So there, you see it kind of beeps there. And so there, it's ready to go. And so you see, it just fits inside the thing right there, and it's not going anywhere. You can smash it around, whatever. And also it's got like the hole in it. I don't know if the hole is just the right size. We'll see here if it's just the right size for that metal thingy. So yeah, I guess if you like the look of just the Apple thingy, if you're gonna have it that direction, you could put it in there, and it probably takes up a little bit of space, and the little rim goes around. It doesn't fit exactly around that little rim. You can see it's still indented slightly, so it fits in there. Like if I can show you my wallet on that one, the metal thing ends up flush with that because the hole is exactly the right size. So this one here doesn't have the exact right size for the metal thing. But, I mean, it's perfect for what it does. I mean, I love these things. When it's in the case, it's a little bit quieter if you're doing that Find My thing, so where the beeping is. But for the most part, I don't even use that. I just use the location finder because it tells you how far away it is and stuff. So, I mean, I love these things. These little AirTags are great. And this keychain, so this is probably like my 10th or 15th one or something like that. I've given them to my kids for everything too. So these are just awesome, and I'm gonna put a link to these little keychains in the description. I'm gonna be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. But you can see it fits on there really good. These are really strong. They're pretty thick silicone, so it's not going anywhere. It's gonna last probably a really long time, it would be my guess. So these are really good. Thumbs up from me. Like them. Be sure to like this video again, subscribe, and links for these are in the description. I'll put a link for some AirTags in there too, so if you don't have any of those, you can. And if you buy them from Apple, I bought some of them from Apple, so these ones here, you see have my little name on it. If you buy them from Amazon, you don't get your name on it, but you sure get them a lot quicker. That's about it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye everyone.